Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and our series for frequently asked questions in Selenium UI automation interview rounds. So today we are going to discuss a very important question that says, how can you open a new tab and a new window in the browser using Selenium commands? Now after opening these tabs and windows, you have to switch to them and load the desired pages on the newly opened tab and window. So before Selenium 4, this was possible using robot class or JavaScript executor. But after Selenium version 4 launch, this is possible to execute directly using an inbuilt Selenium library. Yes, so a single line solution to this question would be to use Selenium 4 method new window. Now let's see the usage of this method in detail. So this is the signature of the method where the method new window returns a reference of type WebDriver and it accepts one argument of type window type. A window type here is an enum defined in the Selenium library which takes two values, window and tab. So a single line of code in Java would look like driver.switch2.newWindow. Now it has two uses. The first use is to open a new window. That is possible by choosing the window type enum value to be window. And the second use to open a new tab is possible by using the value of window type enum as a tab. Now before jumping to the coding exercise, let's understand the relation between different components of this long chained command. So as you can see on your screen, we make a call to the switch2 method using the driver object with a dot operator. Here, switch2 method is declared inside WebDriver interface. And this method returns a reference of type target locator. Now, target locator is a nested interface inside WebDriver interface. And there is a method new window which is now declared inside this nested interface target locator. So using the dot operator, we can chain a command new window, thus forming our final line of code. Cool. So now let's do a small coding exercise. So here we launch a Chrome browser by initializing a Chrome driver object. Then we use the WebDriver get method to load the website www.google.com. Now we need to open a new tab in the same window and launch facebook.com on our newly opened tab. So for this, let us use the new window method. And here the window type would be window type.tab because we are asked to open a new tab in the same window, right? Now after opening the tab, we would use the get method again to load facebook.com on this tab. Right. Now next, we are required to open a new window this time and launch twitter.com on this new window. So let's do that now. So again, we will use the new window method, but this time the value of the enum window type would be window type.window. And then simply we would use the get method to load twitter.com on this newly opened window. Right. Now the last step, which says we have to go to all the tabs and windows and then open amazon.in in all of them. But before that, let's put an assertion to calculate and validate total number of window handles at this point of time. So for that, we would use a method get window handles using the driver object. and then we will use method size to calculate the size of the set returned by this method get window handles, and we will store it into an integer variable size. Now simply we can use testng assertion library to ensure that this size is equal to 3 at this point in our script. Now why are we expecting the size of get window handles to be 3 is because we have opened a total of 3 windows till now using our Selenium script, and you can see how, right? And at the very last step, it is asking us to go to all tabs and then open amazon.in in all of them. So for that, we will again store all the window handles in a variable using the get window handles method. Yeah. And using a for each loop, we will go through each window handle and switch to that particular handle using the window method inside target locator, and switch to every handle and then load amazon.in on that particular tab. Right. And here is our complete test method. Let's try to run it. So see, there are a total of 3 tabs open for now. And then we go to each tab and open amazon.in. And that completes our script with pass result. So with that, we come to an end to this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to the channel for more informational content. You can DM me on LinkedIn for any query on testing and automation. Thank you and see you next time.